All right, so what I've done is I've measured 1/2 inch from down here at the bottom and put a mark. Measured out here, 1/2 inch, put a mark. And all I did is I simply connected this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect a light line down like this. And then I'm just gonna draw a vertical line connecting this down to the sidewalk. Like that. And if it looks like it's a little bit leaning, you know, you can always correct it, and it does look a little bit off, so I'm gonna redraw that. I'm gonna erase this line that I have here. So now I've got this other building, and I'm gonna do the same thing that I've done on every other building. Parallel to the horizon, draw a line up at the top, and then go down to the bottom. Draw another space. So this is what we should be looking at. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see. So I'm going to add another door on this building, lining up with this down here. The other building that I have right there, I'm going to draw a door here. So I'm going to draw a light top, and then I'm just going to go connect it straight up and down, connecting it down to the sidewalk. And then I'm going to put a line somewhere in the middle of this. It doesn't really matter. And now I've got my next set of doors, and I'm also going to add some stuff like up at the top of it. Like the other building, I wanted to make it look a little bit fancy. So I'm going to add, just like we did on the previous building, go out a little bit, parallel to the horizon. I'm going to connect a line up like this. Go straight out. I'm going to go straight up. And I'm just going to do a little hook like that. And I'm going to draw this, connect it to the vanishing point. And now I'm just going to draw a line connecting this from the side. Like that. That's added that. Now this building is only going to have a couple rows of windows. So I'm going to use the other building over here to line up. So I'm going to line up these windows to make it on this building. So go ahead and check this out. Light line, lining up the vanishing point, light line, lining up the vanishing point, light line, lining up the vanishing point, light line, light line. So all of these lines are eventually going to be the boundaries of the windows. And all I'm going to do is draw a vertical line. There's no measurements necessary. Lightly connecting all the way up. And lightly connecting all the way up. And if you make a mistake, you can always erase it so it looks like I'm off a little bit. So now I'm going to go back over these, and I'm going to erase all these extra lines that I don't need. So as we do this, all you're going to continue doing is drawing over all these and darken these windows up. All right,